Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's LeetCode question is find all the duplicates in an array. So we are given a nums array of length n. So we need to find out how many there are duplicate numbers that will repeat twice. So the length of the numbers is 1 to n. So we are given a number from 1 to n. So they may appear once or twice, not more than twice they will not appear. So return an array that appears twice in that nums array. So we have to do this in order of n time and constant space. So let's look into the basic approach. Let us say we are a given array this of length 8. So this is 8 of length. So indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the indexes of the array. So we need to find out how many numbers are there which repeat twice. So we can see 3 and 2 are the numbers which are returning twice. So we have to return them in a list. So list or vector both are okay. So basic approach is using a hash map. So this is a basic approach to understand the concept. We will go through a hash map and iterate to each and every element of the array, and we will put its frequency. 4 is equal to 1, 3 equal to 2, 2 equal to 2, 7 equal to 8, 7 equal to 1, 8 equal to 1 and 1 equal to 1. So here we can see 3 and 2 are the elements which are repeating twice. So we can add into the list and return them. So this is the basic approach. Now let's look into the optimized approach. So optimized approach is that we gonna use a pointer approach or indexing approach. So let us say the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we gonna make a loop and iterate to each element. So 4. So our first element is 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So we gonna make the third index element as a minus 1. So we will multiply this element with minus 1, then it will become a negative number. Okay, then our array looks like this. 4, 3, 2, 8, 2, 3 and 1. Then again next element 3. So we will make second element as a minus 2. In ongoing process, if we encounter any number that is less than 0, then we will add that into the list and return them. So this is the approach. So let's look into the code and explanation. Code explanation. So let us assume this is the array. So we will create a result array list to store the elements which repeated twice. So we will iterate to the loop only once, and we will take the absolute value of the first value. So if I equal to 0, then our index will be 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3. So third element will be 7. So 7 will become minus 7. So then next 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then second element will become minus 2. Then we will take value 2. So we will using absolute function. So we will ignore negative value to find the index. Then if minus 2, so second 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will make third element as minus 1, minus 3. So it will become a minus 3. Then seventh index, 7 minus 1 is 6. So this element will be also minus 3. Then next 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So seventh element will be minus 1. Then 2. So now 2 minus 1 is 1. So at first index we encountered a number minus 3. So it is less than 0, right? So we will take the absolute value of that, or else we can add this index plus 1 value to the result array. So ongoing process, at the end we are left with two elements, that are 2 and 3 in the result list. So we gonna return them. Okay guys, thank you. Code is in the GitHub. You can visit the GitHub to two more approaches. Thank you.